let us write the equation in standard form. Therefore, we subtract 11e to the x both sides. Therefore, we get 2e to the 2x minus 11e to the x plus 12 equals 0. It's important to note that e to the 2x can be written as e to the x in bracket times 2. It's the same thing as e to the 2x. And also we want to let y equals e to the x. So let us rewrite the equation then. We would have 2e to the x squared minus 11e to the x plus 12 equals 0. Since we let y equals e to the x, it means that I would have 2y squared minus 11y plus 12 equals 0. And this equation here can be factorized. So we have 2y times y. Therefore, I would have 2y minus 3 and y minus 4. And that equals 0. So we have factorized the equation, so we can solve it. So we have 2y minus 3 equals 0, or y minus 4 equals 0. So it means that y equals to 3 over 2, or y equals to positive 4. So since e to the x equals y, we can find the value of x when y equals 3 over 2. So we would have e to the x equals to 3 over 2. Here we can write this in log form with base e. Therefore, we can have x equals to log 3 over 2 base e. Or you can simply just write ln 3 over 2 divided by ln e. Okay, so let us input this value in our calculator to get x. So when we input this in our calculator, we get 0.405 to 3 significant figures. Now let us work out the value of x when y is 4. When y equals 4, we would have e to the x equals to 4. So it means that x equals to log 4 base e. Or we can simply write ln 4 divided by ln e. Or if you want, you can write log in base 10, you can write log of 4 base 10. We don't normally write base 10 there, but we can just put 10 there. Right, that's base 10 over log e base 10. You get the same value. So x equals to 1.386 to 3 significant figures. Okay, so we can look on our calculator screen just to see the values of x. Okay, so x here is equal to log 4 base e. So on our calculator here we have log 4 base e, and we get 1.386 to 3 significant figures. Or if we have log 4 base 10 over log e to the x base 10, we still get the same value. So here we can have log 4 base 10 over log e base 10, and we get the same value. Or if you put ln 4 over ln e, you still get the same value here. So either way, you can work out the value for x. Thank you very much.